Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Evridie. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Today text come from John 3 verses 4 to 7. Listen what it say.
So Nicodemus asked him, say,
Then how somebody will old fi born again? Somebody can't go back in a mother belly and born one at a time?
Jesus answered him and said,
For true, may I tell you, say, nobody can take part in a God kingdom if them not born over that time in a water and in the spirit. When baby born, a people are have people, but God, He make people born in the spirit. So no frightened when you hear me tell you, say, you have to born one next time.
Think about this. What is a text that teach me about God? How me can use it in my life? How me can use it help other people? One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how me think. God really love we, and when we serve Him, it make Him happy. So we must read Him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember, say, when you wanna text far, it make the devil turn far. See you soon!